Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So you can see this mat. It is disgusting. Disgusting. So I normally clean my mats with Dawn dishwashing soap, but I did see that you can clean them with some windex. Now I don't have windex, but I have a same product, so we're going to see if we can clean this mat and if it works. I've spent the day just crafting and cleaning stuff up, and this mat has been washed so many times that I'm like, oh, I guess I should probably throw it out. I've had it for 2 years and I don't know what it is. It's just my favorite mat. Even though I've got lots of other green mats, this is the one I always go to and stuff doesn't stick. So we're going to try it. So mine is Invisible Shield, but it's still a similar, product as Windex. And I have an old gift card. Well, I think it's old. There may be something on it. I should probably check before I throw it away. But anyways, all right, so now they say that you use your gift card and just scrape it. All right, can you see how much? I cannot believe how much I got off of this. Like, that was just crazy. I'm going to have to wipe it and then... This was a crusty, musty mat for sure. But look at this, like... I can't believe... I just can't believe how much I got off of this thing. Now, I mean, I've seen videos of people saying to use like bleach wipes and stuff. Oh my gosh, please don't do that. You will ruin your mat. Bleach is so harsh. So I'm just wiping it now with a baby wipe. I will tell you, Dawn dishwashing liquid does also work. But I've heard that this is even better, so I wanted to try it before I threw this mat out, because I kid you not, this mat is at least 2 years old. And you can see I use it all the time. And look, let me just show you. Do you see over there hanging up? I kid you not, there's like 15 mats hanging up over there. But this is, I don't know, it's my favorite one. I have no idea why. I always go to it. I can't believe how clean it is. That's amazing. All right, so now I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit and dry, because, you let it air dry. And then I'll come back and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I won't do anything else to it. I'll just throw this stuff away. We'll let it air dry and I'll be back. All right, friends. So I haven't moved my camera. It's about to die. And I let this dry. I went and take a shower, so I haven't touched it yet. So let's see how it... What? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's perfect. I can't believe how sticky it is. Look. Wow. Now this part up here that I've used oh, well, that's pretty sticky. All right. Well, I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Well, good to know it were, and look how clean it is. So in all honesty, the majority of the problem with mats getting less sticky is because of the crud that gets on them. And this poor little guy, yeah, it was quite gross. So, well, anyways, listen, I hope that this was helpful. Keep you from throwing out your mats. And this guy, like I said, is at least 2 years old, if not older than that. So, hey, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. And I've been working on so many crafts today. So, you know, the epoxy stuff takes time, especially things you have to do in layers. So, but starting tomorrow, I should have some more epoxy crafts coming. All right, listen, friends, I will see you later. You have a blessed and beautiful night. Happy New Year. I hope that it started out with a bang for you. Bye, friends.